What's going on, guys? It's Crypto Chris back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. I just want to do a quick breakdown of Bitcoin, Ethereum, just to show you what's happened in recent price movements, where support and resistance is, what am I looking to happen in the next few days or so. And yes, so if you like this video, please drop a like, guys, share it, subscribe, like, tick the little bell to get the notification for when the next video drops, guys. And if you've got any feedback or you'd like me to do any other altcoin breakdowns, please leave it in the description. All right, guys, for some of you that follow me on Telegram, we caught a beautiful trade yesterday, guys. So I just want to show you what's been happening. So if I go on the daily chart, will become a bit more clear. So what was happening is, if I get the drawing tool out here, so everybody was expecting the head and shoulders pattern to come in. So head and shoulders, so you've got the left shoulder here, you've got the head, and then people were expecting for price to just touch where the resistance was on the left shoulder, and then usually price rolls down. This is the neckline here, and then if price breaks through here, and then you're looking about, it could go all the way back down to under 7,000. But like I've been saying all week, guys, no pattern is valid until you have confirmations, because there's not, it's very risky shorting it from up here expecting that the pattern's going to play out when sometimes it doesn't. You need to wait for that confirmation, guys, and a lot of people got absolutely wrecked, I'm guessing. So if I get the chart out, I just want to show you a chart that not many people actually bring out. I just want to show you the BTC USD short. So this is the amount of short positions that are currently in play. So as you can see, guys, the shorts are stacking up nicely once again, guys. So we could be, and last time this happened, guys, I just want to show you something. So from April, price was rising, if you remember. Look, I just want to show you. From 1st of April, price was rising. And look at that, the shorts were rising. And then what ended up happening is on the 2nd of May, we got this short squeeze where a lot of these shorts got liquidated, which ultimately pushed the price even higher. And all I want to show you is the amount of shorts that we've got currently. Is quite parabolic, to be honest, guys. The amount of shorts that we've got going on, it's rising. But what I'm looking at, you've got this resistance box here where each time it's happened, prices fell down. We broke through this, and then as soon as we broke down under it, look, price is struggling. So this is a region that I'm currently looking at, and we could be looking for another short squeeze because we have got quite a few shorts in play at the moment. Anyway, back to the Bitcoin. Let me just remove these drawing tools, just make it a bit more clearer. You can kind of see what's going on. So like I said, guys, no pattern is valid until you have the confirmation. So if, for example, you was gonna believe this head and shoulders pattern would play out, you'd wait a confirmation. So personally, this is not financial advice, obviously, guys. This is just something I would do, just my opinion. I would have had the short under the neckline here. Just saying, if price broke under that, that's a confirmation. The pattern is valid, the head and shoulders is valid, and then price would ultimately fall to this region. But it hasn't. It played out. Prices surged higher. We went to about 8,675, and in my opinion, price will now consolidate. And another thing I will show you what's kind of gather it's happening on, you've got this so what it looks like is this mini bull flag, if you like. So we've had this massive bullish engulfing candle that took us above the 8,400 to the 8,750, and then price has just been consolidating. Even though this is the 4-hour chart, there's not much data here to kind of validate this. So usually a bull flag is a measured move, so you take the length of the pole, which I have here. So this lines up exactly with the pole, and if we get a break of this region, look where it lines us up, guys. It lines us up pretty much where rejection was found in this region here. So 2 scenarios: we can consolidate, retest this zone here. If not, the downside target that I think can happen, you have this support here. I mean, if you look at this support, it held 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So this trend line is pretty valid. So I'll look at to possibly find support on this trend line, and then price can slightly start climbing up and then retest this zone. If, however, we fall below it, we have this pink box of support, where it was support here, support, resistance here, support here, and now we've broken above this. This in fact should now turn into support. So we have this boxed area of support, so we can even go that and just consolidate and then carry on higher. But also another scenario, guys, that we might be having is, so sorry, just giving you all kind of scenarios that can possibly play out here. So we have this support here, and then also we have this trend line here, another trend line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times we touch, and then price absolutely pretty much parabolic to the upside once again, guys. So at the moment, price is we're above this region here, so we can even, as long as we're trading within this zone here, guys, price could bounce up in between this region here before absolutely breaking to the upside. I'm not going to give my further down predictions because, like I said, guys, we need confirmation. We need to take out that wick of rejection for price to carry on higher. Anyway, let me jump on to the Ethereum chart, and just something that I've noticed on Ethereum, we have this rising wedge pattern here. But guys, I'm not going to short it because, like I said, no pattern is valid until you have confirmation. And my confirmation would be a break under this trend line, a close, and that pattern would be now valid. And then you look at that, price could possibly fall down all the way here, where we have this zone of demand, this zone of buy orders here that we've had around about $225. So, but if price comes to this region, I mean, it's getting squeezed to the absolute max now, guys. So in a minute now, Ethereum will have to make a decision of where it's going to go. But sometimes people believe Ethereum is kind of will show you the altcoin market where it's possibly going, and the sometimes also the Bitcoin market where it could be going. So to get invalidated, if we break above this region here, then this pattern will be invalidated. But up to now, it is looking quite bearish because we've just been bouncing in this tight region, and price has been getting squeezed and squeezed, where now price has to make a decision of where to go. So like I said, if we break under this trend line, price can melt all the way down to $225. Right, let me quickly just jump into XRP. I'll try and make this as quick as possible. Once again, I just want to show you something where we have this, again, tight region where XRP has been traveling in. I mean, look at this. We've got this trading zone here where price has just been traveling in. So in my opinion, we have this support here. If price breaks under this support, and then you're looking about around about the 37-cent region where we previously wicked to, around about this region of 37 cents. Price, there's a lot of demand in this region, as you can see, guys. Every time we've tested this region, price is quickly broken up. Also, I just want to show a couple of trend lines I've just noticed. So if I just get rid of this and this, so if I get this trend line here, down here, so you also got this trend line here. So if price touches this, we can even retest this trend line here or further up in this zone here, so which also coincides with this region here. So I'm looking for another test of this support. If it breaks down, then 37 cents will come into play. If we bounce and right high, we've got this resistance here, this upper resistance here, and further up we've got this area of resistance where price got rejected around about 42 cents. But in my opinion, it's very choppy, the price of XRP. But since we broke above the 36 region since the 14th of May, we've kind of been traveling in this region here until we have to take out these upper wicks here and this one here, this double top here that we've had here. We need to take them out and push higher to see the 50 cents and above. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick video breakdown. Give it a like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Money Dropout, and on my Telegram. I'll try and leave my link in the description. And thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and